Welcome back. We're so happy that you're starting off your Thursday morning with us, and it is snowing out here on the weather deck, and Pete and I are actually shoveling.
Well, but it's extremely fluffy. And you know, Rob, who opens up the weather deck for us in the morning, I mean, I heard him shoveling it. So this all happened very recently, and it's just extremely fluffy. Coming out of Stanilow Skywatch Live at downtown Syracuse. I mean, it's still snowing at a decent clip. It's not quite as heavy as it was before. As we take a look at, Lisa, I just want to just quickly measure. This is, I'm not exactly sure if this was completely shoveled off before, but there's about 2 inches of fluffy snow just within, the last hour.
Wow.
Hour and a half, maybe. I mean, it's just very fluffy. So there you go. We're not going to get a tremendous amount more snow, and also this snow tends to compact during the day. So here's what we're expecting today. First off, as we take a look outside with live triple Doppler radar, we're going to just zoom around again and notice down in the southern tier, we've got one batch of heavier snow between Dryden, Virgil, Marathon, and Cortland. Heavier snow, which was in the Syracuse area, now a little to the south. You can see that right in there, Nedrow, Sentinel Heights, Onondaga, Lafayette, Pompey, Toggenburg area, and there's another batch of heavier snow, Pulaski area. That dropped through the Watertown area. So we're kind of in and out of some of these passing heavier snow showers and squalls. Other times there's flurries. Now I think once we get past the midday hour, we're not going to have any more of these heavier bursts of snow. We're going to just be varying between flurries and light snow showers. Well, right now the temperature's in the upper teens to near 20, and the wind chill's about 5. That's basically where we're going to play today, between 0 and 10 with the wind chill. Now, with respect to the actual amount of snow, well, we're expecting to get another 1 to 3 inches of snow, very likely. So, I might even clear half the weather deck table off just to show you that. Whatever you had overnight, clear your table or your deck, and how much new snow is on top of everything, figure about 1 to 3 inches of fresh powder during the course of today. This evening, still some leftover flurries. That should taper off. Tomorrow's going to be a decent day. Chilly in the morning, but seasonably so, and a mix of sun and clouds and a high of 37. Just a very weak weather system Friday night. I'm still a little concerned about a system Saturday, very late in the afternoon through Saturday night. There's probably going to be some rain, eventually changing over to some snow. Just how much is up for debate. High of 40, flurries Sunday, high 39. That's your 7-day forecast. Now back inside.